Men are starving for real connections, and that turns out to be an opportunity for women to monetize. If you're a very good conversationalist, you're very good at texting, entertaining people, then you have the right arsenal for you to begin to earn real cash on this app that I'm going to share with you in no time. So what does it take? It only takes you being able to text and being able to hold conversations for a long period of time. If you can go on talking with a stranger for over 1 hour, 2 hours, then definitely you would begin to earn more than $100 on this app. So now, what is it that you have to do right now? What you need to do is you click the link in the description section or the one that I've pinned in the comment section. You create an account, and then you do exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Hi, this is Elisha, and this is the Digital Wealth Blueprint. Let's take a ride. After you click the link, and this is the interface that you're going to see. What you do is you click Start or click Login with Google, right? So before you do that, you can check in that box which is in the bottom left corner, and then you hit Start. All right, so when this loads up, choose an email address with which you're going to register. So now when this page opens up, make sure that you choose the correct gender. If you're feminine, make sure that you choose female. If you make a mistake, you can't change this. So since I'm male, I'm gonna click here and then hit next. All right, here I'll need to upload the picture and then punch in the invitation code. Very important. The code is the one that you're seeing on the screen flashing right now. All right, and you can change the date of birth here by simply tapping there, then swiping up or swiping down. Then when you're done, hit done here, and then you can change your name here. All right, then when you're glad with what you say, you hit make friends now, and just like that, you are in. The first thing that you do is you click check in, and you're given 100 diamonds, right? You click OK, then you click confirm. All right, then if you want, right away you can click quick video match, and you'll be matched with people that you can chit chat with. Now here's something that you need to know. You as feminine, the moment you click quick video match, you'll be matched with men who are lonely, those that you would actually entertain by simply having conversations with. And the way it is the longer you happen to hold those conversations, the more money you earn. Within a day, depending on how committed you are, you can actually earn as much as $20, $50. All it takes is your commitment and being able to hold conversations at length. And once you're able to do that, you're good to go. So what you need to do right now, head over to the comment section, click the link, create an account, and be part and parcel of the community. I'll see you in the next video.